Unprotected environment, unspoken topic, and unheard voice can definitely harm anybody in this society. So, happy morning to everybody. I'm Yashodai Damodaran from First Step Institute, a gateway to unleash the potential within yourself. I'm a Posh consultant, and my consultancy has 50 wonderful Posh consultants who are spread across India to help companies to stay safe and provide a safe working environment to their employees. So what we do regarding POSH is we create a POSH committee, an internal committee that can hear on POSH cases. We spread awareness on how to prevent yourself from any kind of sexual harassment to the employees. And finally, we help companies to submit their annual report to the nodal officer. So what is this POSH and what are various things that are surrounded around POSH? My trainers are coming along with me and a beautiful panel to discuss about various things on POSH. So do like, share, and subscribe this YouTube channel so that you can receive more and more updates on POSH. So here we go with various speakers on various topics of POSH. Thank you.
We came to know what is Posh through four of you, that why it is important and how the procedures IC, LC. So overall about the Posh, about the aggrieved woman, respondent. So we understood what is Posh. So my question is to you, Shruti. Don't you think that it is biased towards women?
Nice question. A lot is already said by Shahida, and Raina also added her points to it. So a simple thing I would say, Constitution of India itself says right to equality. So when it is right to equality and that's a base of POSH, how can one law go against the other law? It definitely cannot be biased. So by law, it is not biased. A lot of people, however, may feel that it is biased. But then let us understand why POSH was formed in the first place. There were so many talented girls, ladies, who were not allowed to step out of the house for the simple fear that what if somebody harasses her? हमारे घर की इज्जत का सवाल है. That was always there at the back of the mind. They are not wrong. I don't challenge them. Everybody wants to protect their family members. Fair enough. But ever since POSH has become very active and people have more and more awareness of POSH, they are more comfortable. People back at home feel very secured. And so does the woman. That, there is law that takes care of her rights, of her feelings, and stops people from taking undue advantage of her. Having said that, if somebody thinks that because POSH is meant for the protection of women, because essentially it is prevention of sexual harassment and it is meant for to protect women, let us understand POSH, and as IC committee, we are empathetic towards the aggrieved woman, not sympathetic. There is a whole lot of difference between the two. So we do have empathy, but sheer fact that she comes from one gender, it is not that we would support her. There is a proper investigation that happens. We've understood by all the eminent speakers that spoke here that the investigation goes so deep. It goes fast in compared to how it is done otherwise. But when we approach POSH, the results come out in just about 90 days. The case is closed. So the entire investigation is done so fast, but again, it is kept confidential so that she feels comfortable. And at the same time, the respondent also is not harassed that way because nobody gets to know what's happening. It's kept confidential. Having said that, also, I would say that if at any point in time the IC committee understands that it was a malicious case and the evidences were again compromised on or adduced to avail favorable orders, then ICC may recommend to take action against a complainant as per the applicable service rules of the employer. it can go up to the extent that the same penalty or the same punishment which otherwise a respondent would have got if he was accused, the same could be imposed on the aggrieved woman who's made that choice of taking it to the posh, just because she thinks that she is a woman and she can get away very easily and the law will be biased. Then let me say it will not be. She better be ready for the consequences. If she has forged her evidences, or if it's a malicious complaint, then law is equal for everybody, and by constitution of law we believe in law of equality, and thereby it is non-biased.